Nico, today's a big day.
Taking lactate.
We're eating out here, y'all. Starbucks. This is it, y'all. Nico, this is your mom's last day at Starbucks. Oh my gosh.
Hello. Hi, Nico.
She was gone for like 10 minutes, man. It's not a big deal, Nico.
Whoa. Oh. Oh my gosh.
Go.
Good boy, Nico.
Salad. My dog Salad. He's Salad.
Nico, you have no idea there's a coyote over there. Oh my gosh. Nico, Nico,
Nico, Nico, Nico, Nico, Nico, Nico, Nico, Nico, Nico, Nico, Nico, Nico, Nico, Nico. One more time. Nico, Nico, Nico. Nico, Nico, Nico. Nico, Nico, Nico. Nico, Nico. Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Get him!
Good boy. Okay, I'm gonna grab your head. Okay, hold it. Wait. Wait, Nico. Hold it. Hold it. Good boy. Good boy. Is that another one? There you go. Okay, I think 2 is the right number.
Yeah, Nico.
He's on another adventure.
We're that time of year where it's a bunch of Nico and me Amigo and the pedals.
Nico.
That model.
Nico,
That
focus.
dog. Stay.
Stay. Hiking day with mommy. Good boy, Nico. Nico, how you feeling? Maybe thirsty. There's Mount Rainier. Perfect weather for a picnic. Okay, let's go, Nico. Come on. Nico, let's go. Almost there. Nico, come on. Post hiking bully stick. Don't tell Daddy. Nico, you wanna go on a family walk? Oh, what was that energetic sneeze? Family walk.
You wanna go family walk?
Yeah.
Family walk? Family walk?
70 degrees, silly.
Family walk? No family walk?
Family walk. Nico, come on, say family walk.
He tired, y'all, but we going home family walk.
He went on 2 hikes this week. That's two more than he usually goes.
2 more than his daddy.
I'm gonna start with like easy herbs, I think.
There you go.
I remember, yeah, Issaquah Highlands is like a nice compromise, I guess, to downtown living because it's got like.
Well, it's got everything, and it's
Yeah.
building up more. So, mob people.
Wait, where's?
Oh, geez,
Walk.
hold it, try.
Nico! Nico! Whenever I try to put my socks on, this is what happens. He just comes and he's so excited. It's like, dude, I'm trying to put my sock on, Nico. He knows we're about to go on a walk. Peep the tail wag, y'all. It's a lot of tail wag. You want to go on a walk? You want to go on a walk? Nico, what do you think about the snow? He's not feeling the snow, y'all. Neither am I. Nico and his mother. She's out there cleaning boots. Wow. That's interesting.
Danny.
Nico. Nico. Oh boy. Nico and a cat, guys. Pray for me. Family walk. Loud style family walk. And then where's Nico? Nico, there he be. Sabadi be my Soktida. Happy Songkran. Happy Loud New Year.
Happy New Year.
Let's get it.
We're gonna have so much food. Oh, Charlie's rotten. That's my favorite.
Why are you barking?
She's her father's daughter. Hey, give that one to Sophia. She loves M&M's. Sophia, give it to Sophia. That was for her. Go give it to her.
Easter. Hey, you wanna go backyard? Nico.
Once you're used to it, you get the muscle memory. It's supposed to be wherever you
He ate chocolate, and we want to put the crate closer to our door.
No. Go night night.
And he doesn't know where his crate is.
Go night night. He was trying to go downstairs. Oh, my poor dog. Oh, we're so cruel. Come on, Nico. Go night night. No. This way. Go night night. Go night night. Come here. Go night night. You can do it. Nico, come on. Go night night. Come here. Come on. It's the same crate, silly. Good boy, stay.
Good boy.
Good boy. Good night, baby. We love ya.
Oh my.
I'm gonna get you. 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 I got you. I'm gonna get you. I got you. I'm gonna get you. I got you.
Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Can I? Is that your house? Are you mad? Give me some sugar.
He's not mad. See, look, he's happy.
Give some sugar. Oh.
We're going to Vashon Island. Where are we right now?
We're at
Point
Point Defiance Park, whale
Defiance.
viewing.
I think we're gonna get on that ferry right there. It's coming over. First gotta see Nico. We're on the whale trail.
But we wouldn't come here without Nico. We wouldn't have.
She says we wouldn't come here without Nico, y'all. I say that's not true. Good boy, Nico. Go get her. Peep Nico. We got the tail through the gate. Wagon. Be silent. Listen to the earth.
Good boy, Nico. Stay.
Good boy, Nico. Yep.
Nico, come here. Good boy. Call him back.
Nico! Nico, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
I should have taken a video, but I was.
Come here. Good boy. Call him back. And there's my Nico. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Good boy.
Oh my gosh, they are so similar. Look at that. Oh yeah. That's, that's what they do.
They're like
Wow.
the same size.
They are so similar. Yeah, that's cool.
Oh, he has my camera.
Oh.
She absolutely loves the water.
She's
Like,
just fun. I
That's
wish
weird.
that he did. I'm trying to like get him more used to it, but I think he's kind of like
yeah, she didn't like the water till she was.
Good. Let me get the stick. Bring it to me. Bring it to me. You wanna go again? You wanna go again? All right, here we go. Good boy, Nico. Now you just got sandy butt. Sticks.
That's funny.
Sticks.
Sit. Sit. Look at mommy.
This is a big.
There's the Cho. Look how confident that dog is. He's just leading.
Little does he know he's going to the beach again.
What
Where'd it go?
do you think, Nico? It's hot, huh?
Yeah, it's hot.
It's a hot dog.
I think I saw another water.
Vashon, super hot. I got a hot dog, y'all.
He understands water now.
Shh, I swear his tail wags more when you say it. Nico. Nico. Okay, we're gonna trick Nico and switch cars. See what his reaction's like. Hi, Nico. Were you expecting Daddy? Were you expecting Daddy, Nico? Hi, baby.
His ears.
This your friend, Nico.
Oh, he's so fast.
Trying to teach him weave. One more time. Goes between the legs, goes around the legs, and then try to bring him right back through. There we go. We got ramen. We got sushi. We got tempura. We got Nico. Hey, baby.
Where are we at?
Confluence Park.
We just played lots of hide and seek. Good boy. Look at all these snails.
Good boy, huh? Good boy.
Good boy, Nico. Try one more time.
Ready? Set. Wait. Good boy. Nico. Come on. Okay, let's try it. Nico, come here. Wait. Good boy. Good boy. That was so good.